Hi, I'm Julia. If you want to fairly pick a winner from Twitter likes, this one's for you. I'll show you how to quickly select a random, transparent winner using Circleboom. First, open Circleboom and click on the Twitter giveaway picker from the dashboard. Then, click the Create a New Giveaway button to start a fresh campaign. You'll also see your past giveaways listed here if you've run any before. After that, copy your tweet link and paste it into the URL field. Click to continue, and you'll see a preview of your tweet along with engagement stats like likes, replies, and reposts. Next, set your participation conditions. This is where you can focus on likes. Just select the like the tweet option. You can also add extra conditions like reposting or following if you want. Choose your match type and confirm your settings. Then move on to filters. Click through the filtering options to exclude bots or inactive accounts, or set criteria like minimum follower count to keep your giveaway clean and relevant. After that, click to start the draw. Once that's done, Circleboom automatically collects all users who liked your tweet using official X APIs. No missing entries, no manual scrolling. You'll see the full list of eligible participants on screen. Finally, click the Pick Winner button at the bottom right. Circleboom will instantly select a random winner from the likes. If needed, you can also click to pick an alternate winner. Right after that, Circleboom generates a winner announcement image. You can download it or post it directly to announce the result in a clear and transparent way. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy Circlebooming.